guys, so today I'm going to be getting straight into it about why your finessing is not working. First of all, it's because you're trying to finesse people and everybody's hip now. This is not like back in the day where people did not have access to the same information you guys have. So when you're trying to get over on people using these same dumb tactics that people are teaching you online, it's not going to work. Okay. So I don't, and a lot of the guys you guys are talking to, you can't even finesse them anyway because they probably don't have any money or career. So first of all, you want to change the types that you are talking to. Number one. Very important. Number two, stop talking like a city girl reject. We got to stop this. Y'all are watching too much TV, and I'm well aware that a lot of you guys only dreams are to scam people for some Louboutins, a Louis Vuitton bag, and out of a trip. And I'm trying to help you get it the right way so that you stop running yourself in the ground. Okay, so first of all, the sugaring and escorting industry is way oversaturated because everybody has the same look now, everybody has the same plastic, and everybody has access to the internet. So if you have something or if you want to get somewhere, you can't use the same tactics that everybody is using. You have to have something original, something that is yourself, something that comes off original, because people can always tell when it's forced, rehearsed, or fake. So if you're trying to talk like a city girl reject, then you're definitely not going to get far, which is why a lot of you guys are not getting far and are complaining. So you have to be real, be real. Nobody wants to be finessed. Nobody wants to feel like they're being scammed. And people can tell when they're being scammed because it's their money. It's like they didn't get that far with money by being naive with who's trying to get over on them. You understand? So be smarter when you're coming at these people because you want something out of them. Because they're aware that you want something out of them. And they're up to giving it to you. But you can't try to scam them because that's going to move into offensive, and they're not going to want to give it to you even if they can. So the next thing you want to do is want more for yourself, want better for yourself. I'm going to do a whole topic in another video about this, but if you are the type that just wants to try to scam somebody out of a trip or finesse them for the bag or something, let me tell you, it's not going to go anywhere. So you got to have some goals for yourself, some things that you like to talk about, actual hobbies, actual things that you do. This is what will make people feel interested in you and want to be around you. So if you are somebody who wants to be around successful people, wants to get things out of successful people, make sure you have some success of your own that you're trying to achieve. This is really important. A lot of people don't feel like it is, but it definitely is important. Even if you don't have any way of getting it at the moment, make sure you have at least something to talk about, some dreams, some goals. People love that. They love a story. Okay? This is something a lot of strippers would tell you. Okay? And a lot of my another reason why you have to stop talking like city girl rejects is because a lot of my clients are high-end or high-paid escorts and dancers, exotic dancers, or do something in the entertainment industry, whether they're video girls or something. You want to make sure that you're authentic, because none of them talk like that. Like, give me the bag, give me the check. What you going to do? You want to swipe them visas? No. You have to have a genuine relationship with these people, because the thing is, because it's so oversaturated, you can easily get replaced by somebody else who has a different set of looks or anything. Just completely replaced literally within a click of a button, especially because a lot of these guys have access to a bunch of women who are trying to get the same things from them. So you want to stay original, you want to stay authentic, and you want to make sure that they're coming back to you for something else that they cannot get anywhere else. Whatever your thing is, whatever your personality is like, having fun with you, make sure it's real, make sure it's authentic, and make sure you're building an actual friendship with them, because arrangements are only paid friendships or like paid half relationships, you know, where they feel like they're supporting somebody that they like and they want to be around, they want to help, you know. It's something people find like a hobby, like they like to do. So make sure you have an authentic way of speaking, look, and make sure you have some goals for yourself. Make sure you're not talking like city girl rejects or anything like that, because it's really going to reject a lot of what you're trying to achieve. You actually want to be well spoken. They love a lot of well spoken women, no matter what industry you're in. You want to be well spoken. You want to have things to talk about. So make sure you're reading stuff. Be interested in stocks or something like that. Just have something that you're interested in, that you're passionate about. People love supporting things that people are passionate about, whether that's business, like your own business, or investors, you know, supporters. Okay, so, you know, just keep it authentic, keep it real, because this other stuff is not working. All this, look at him in his eyes, you know, use your feminine energy from your pussy, make sure it's coming out, you know, all of that stuff, it's not working. Okay, I have real clients with real success. The rest of that stuff is really irrelevant, because none of it actually works for anybody, and that's exactly why they have so many people in their comments complaining. So if you want to actually be successful, stop trying to be a finesser. Think bigger than that. Think that you're deserving of it, you know, and that's how you get it. So that is the end, and you can hit me up for a session or just a comment or whatever on Instagram at Actual Black Mermaid, Twitter ABM or Imani_Yvonne2, or you can or you can like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever. If you do want to reach out to me for a session, you can definitely reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. Either one works. I do not post my public email on here, because I do not want to get ransacked with a bunch of emails about people's life, because I get that. That's what I get paid to do. So no, thank you. But yes, I will be talking to you guys later, and good luck. Thank you.